Let's compare these two brayers. One is from Mod Podge and one is from Ranger. They're both made of rubber. The Ranger one tends to be a little bit softer, just a touch softer, and the Mod Podge one is a little bit more rigid. What I'll often use this size of brayer for is applying ink to an embossed surface, and I mean embossed by an embossing folder. Now you'll notice with my Ranger one, because it's got a little bit of give to it, if I press too hard on the embossed surface, I'm going to get it onto the debossed part, the lower part of the embossed, and not just the raised part. The Mod Podge one has not really a whole lot of give to it, so you'll see when I'm trying to apply ink with it, I don't get very much on that surface. It's only on the uppermost raised part, and this is an embossing folder that has some roundness to it, so it's only going on the uppermost part of it. If I flip it to the other side, there's some areas that have more flat surface, and I'll get a little bit more ink on there, but the Ranger brayer is definitely better for this than the Mod Podge one. I think the Mod Podge one would be great for if you're doing some decoupage or Mod Podging and applying mediums to roll out those papers to make sure that you've got a nice good coverage, or to make sure that those papers are flat. It doesn't really work as well as the Ranger one. The Ranger one, with the give to it, it really lets it apply a little bit more ink, and it just works better for this particular use. I believe this is the only size available of the Mod Podge one, but the Ranger brayer, you can get a smaller width as well as a bigger width one. So you have options depending on the type of project you like to create.